Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to buy a monetized YouTube channel on Flippa safely, smartly, and step by step. Buying a monetized channel lets you bypass months of content creation and monetization handles, perfect for creators or businesses ready to scale fast. Okay. Now go to flippa.com and use the search bar and filters to find YouTube channels. You can narrow results by monetization status, niche, subscriber count, and more, making it easy to find exactly what fits your goals. Click on a listing and carefully review key details like monthly revenue, subscriber count, type of content, channel age, etc. This matrix will help you assess the value of the channel. Make sure the seller has uploaded proof of a monetization, like screenshots from YouTube Studio or AdSense. This helps you avoid channels with policy strikes or copyright issues. Use Flippa's messaging system to ask questions, request updated analytics, or even a live screen share for full transparency. When you are ready to buy, Flippa uses a secure escrow service. Your payment is held safely until the YouTube channel ownership is fully transferred. And that's how you buy a monetized YouTube channel on Flippa the right way. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our next video on selling your own channel online. Thanks for watching.